Viewers, my name is Mohammed Farooq. Today I will share with you summary of Creativity Inc. Creativity Inc. is written by founder of Pixar at Catmull. As usual, I will share 5 points. I am sure in the 5 points you will understand the full essence of this book. The first thing you need to learn about creativity as per the author is that creativity is all the time created through the stories. Stories are content king and stories are written by the people. So in order to create more creative things, you have to work with the smarter people. The smarter people are the asset of any company, of any foundation. The second thing author says that whenever you go to the creativity, then failure is an investment. You have to all the time learn that from the failure you are going to improve that thing or you are going to stop that thing. This is something in the creativity which is difficult to decide. And how you decide that? To decide that, I will go to the third point. The author talks about the concept of ugly baby and hungry beast. Ugly baby is a new invention. It's probably you are creating something new, and the hungry beast is something which is successful, which is giving you money, which is a successful franchise, which is a successful idea, which is a successful story, anything successful. Call it hungry beast. Anything which is new but which you need to improve, which you need to focus on, is the ugly baby. It is not giving you money, you have to invest it. So author says you have to protect the ugly bee and you have to also feed the hungry beast. This is the third concept of the book. Fourth concept of the book is about the process. It is all the time said that trust the process. The author also says that you have to trust the process, but you have to see the process, and most of the cases you have to redesign it, realign it, to reprocess it, the process. And how you reprocess it, this will be clear in the fifth point, and that is the author says that creativity is a struggle. When you are going through the flow, you will face many struggles. Whenever you face a problem, to realign the direction, to realign the process, you do not need to only talk to the top management. When it comes to the creativity can come from any person. So if you are working in an organization, make sure you also share the problem with the lower level management, with the functional people. So this is all in the book Creativity Inc. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. Also please share this channel with your friends, subscribe it so that we have a larger community. Thank you so much.